Welcome to my channel, Bumperautomobile. This is a video tutorial on assembling the rubber front bumper of Mercedes-Benz R107 W107 EU style. A front rubbers of 3 pieces are a left, a right and a center. First, you assemble a left rubber, is fix the top with a nut and pull along a front bumper and lock with a nut. Center rubber. Assemble it to a front bumper by fixing 2 points on 2 sides of the center rubber. Then use M8 nuts to fix all the bolts inside of the center rubber to a front bumpers. Then tighten all the nuts firmly to finish. Do the same with the right rubber.
Thank you for watching this video.